TD Bank Online, how to fix TD banking not downloading in Quicken. This problem has been reported by other users as well, and there are a few steps you can take to resolve it. 1. Switch to TD Bank Web Connect ***. Some users have found success by changing the connection method from TD Bank Online Banking, Direct Connect, to TD Bank Web Connect. Here's how. Deactivate online services ** in Quicken, go to Tools Account List. Click the pencil/edit icon next to your TD Bank account. Navigate to the Online Services tab. Click Deactivate to remove the current connection. Clear Financial Institution Value **, still in the Online Services tab, clear out the current financial institution value, example TD Bank Online Banking. Activate Web Connect *, click Set up Online Services. In the search box, type TD followed by a space, example TD. Select TD Bank Web Connect from the list. Follow the prompts to enter your TD Bank credentials and link your accounts. This method has resolved the issue for some users. 2. Sign out and sign back in ***. Refreshing your Quicken ID and Cloud accounts can help resolve connection issues. Go to Edit Preferences Quicken ID and Cloud accounts. Click Sign in as a different user, or it might say sign in using a different Quicken ID. Follow the prompts to sign out. Sign back in using your Quicken ID and password. This process refreshes the registration token for your online connected services. 3. Check for known issues ***. There have been reports of connection problems with TD Bank servers affecting Quicken users. It's advisable to check for any updates or alerts from Quicken regarding this issue. 4. Contact support ***. If the issue persists after trying the above steps, consider reaching out to Quicken support for further assistance. They can provide personalized guidance based on your specific situation.